2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!